Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CDS 1 exam. Question number 35 is what is 3 divided by 1 square into 2 square plus 5 divided by 2 square into 3 square plus 7 divided by 3 square into 4 square plus dash 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 equal to option A 1, option B 4, option C 7 and option D 9. So here 3 divided by 1 square into 2 square plus 5 divided by 2 square into 3 square plus 5 plus 7 power 3 square into 4 square up to infinity. So here the general term is if we take n is equal to 1 then and put n is equal to 1 and then this can be written as 2 into 1 plus 1. So 3 can be written as 2 into 1 plus 1 and 1 square here and this is your n plus 1 1 plus 1 here. So this is a general term. This can be applied for this also. If we take 2 then this will be 5 and this will be a 2 square, this will be a 3 square. So this is a general term in the expression. So this 2n plus 1 divided by n square uh, multiplied by n plus 1 whole square can be written as so n plus 1 square minus n square divided by same thing, that is n square plus n plus 1 square. So there here n plus 1 square is n square plus 1 square plus 2n, okay, and minus n square means same thing 2n plus 1. So this can be written as like this. So now we can split these. So we take this n1 n plus 1 square divided by n square plus n1 plus n plus 1 square. This will cancel out, it will be 1 plus n square and this will be a 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 whole square. Okay, so now this is the general term for this expression. If we put n is equal to 1 then this will be a 1 by 1 square and this will be 1 by 2 square. If we put n is equal to 2 it will be 1 by 2 square and this will be 1 by 3 square. Similarly we will take it up to infinity. So now this 1 by 2 square and this 1 by 2 square will cancel out. Similarly 1 by 3 square and this 1 by 3 square will cancel out. Okay, so all other term will cancel out except this first term. So answer is option A, which is 1. So answer is option A.